Let's remove few links from this top navigation bar. Go to layout.egs file, scrolling up, and need to find out those links. Let's remove few HTML tags of list element. Let's remove and specify few links what we will need to generate. Here initial the pins, here the pin list. After clicking this link we will see pin list, and let's name it new pin. Here we need to give a link to create a new pin. After clicking this link, a form tag will be pop up. We will implement those page later. Let's refresh this page. This is the link. Let's click new pins. This route need to be implemented. Let's create a file inside routes folder, name it pins.js. Here we need to specify few routes. Need to specify pins/create app.route /pins/create. When that button click, this function will be invoked. This is the get function. Get the callback function. Parameter is rec res and next. Parentheses response.render. So the file will be pins/create. So this file .ejx file will be invoked. Let's create a create.ejx file, new file, create.ejx, enter. So this file will be invoked when that button will be clicked. Let's any name we are giving, and so need to specify this require so that we can call the pins page from here. So here we need to specify module exports so that this function can be invoked from other files. Let's specify function. Here we need to pass the express object app. Let's cut and paste it inside module exports. Let's click this. Here you can see create. That's it. So here we are deleting other files. Here need to specify the layout, the master page layout, and the master page name is layout. Let's write few HTML code so that we can see the form tag and few text box and submit button so that we can create a pin. Here div tag and class container. It will automatically take few padding from right, left, top and bottom side. Here div tag, the class we are specifying the row. This is the best practice of Bootstrap, using Bootstrap. Actually here we are using Bootstrap 4. So one row, inside that row we are specifying the grid system as column large screen 10. So 10 it will take So first header we are giving new pin, create a new pin. This header text will be showed at the top of this page. So specifying form tag, here we need to specify the text box. So the role should be form, and the method is a post, so that we can send the value from this page to the server as a post request. And here we will submit the file. That's why we are writing enctype multipart / form data. We need to submit the file like image. Here we are specifying form group. This is the part of Bootstrap. We need to specify so that it will look nice. Then inside form group we used to write label, and the for attribute we need to specify for equal, so that when you click the label, it will automatically pass to the text box according to the ID. Input type is text. Need to specify inside column. Need to specify name, okay, class, and form control, so that it will take the full width. And name need to specify so that we can get that value through this name. Okay, copy this form group and paste it couple of times so that we can generate multiple text box. At the end we need a button to submit this form value to the server. Here button, and the button name is submit. And here we need to specify the type equals submit, so that this button can post this form, like submit this form. And class, the button color button, and a button success. It will show as green as success the color. Let's see the form. Here is the form without label, just checking.